So we were, as I said, we were very pleased to hear the very clear signals on further openness, whether it be for investment or trade. And for Cargill's sake, we have always been committed to investing in the Chinese market, and so our plans are very concrete. And I think today what we heard is just an encouragement to us to say that to keep going forward, and that we're heading on the right way, and our interests and strategies are aligned. So we're very pleased with it.
Well, we've been involved in the China market for about 25 years. China is a fast evolving market, very important to us. We founded our division here in China in 2010. Oh, every time I come to China, I see new roads, new bridges, new buildings. China is growing very rapidly, and it's important for us to be here. This is a very special expo. This is the first one. And for us, this is an enormous opportunity to participate in the Chinese market. It's the largest market for machine tools in the world.
I think it's a great relationship, and I think that we further look to cooperate with Chang'an and to work together in China. I think we're very glad to be part of this expo this week and to further deepen our cooperation. I think it's obviously a global economy, and I think it's important for us to cooperate, and it's been a pleasure to be a part of this cooperation.
It's hard not to be amazed by the maze. Thousands of companies showcasing global gadgets, gear, and geese. All of it bound for China, or so it's hoped. Infineon's the German maker of semiconductors. It wants Chinese cities to save on energy. Its smart home technology senses user needs. And check out the doors on this car, and the wings on this one. There's a high-tech pavilion, a food and agriculture pavilion, and a medical technology and healthcare pavilion. Hoping products like this can help excite the Chinese mind and market. And mouth. 60,000 square meters displaying meat, dairy, seafood, nuts, fruits, and veggies, and the technology used to process them.
Here there is really huge demand.
Poland's poultry producers put on a production. Just a few of their companies have permission to sell in China. Many others are waiting.
China is a very, very important market for the Polish poultry. Our business is growing at the rate of 10% per year, and we are looking for the markets out of Europe for the new production.
Well, it's time for a taste. Pretty good. And pretty popular.
Very good. Delicious.
Indeed, this expo offers a quick bite for a country with a growing appetite for imports.